Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Dodge Dart SE, stock number E2003P. Only 58,000 miles on this Dart. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, maximum steel in color. The Dart is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, cloth interior. Seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with the tilt-10 telescopic steering wheel, puts you in that perfect driving position. Again, only 58,000 miles. Easy to operate radio and CD player, as well as heating and air conditioning. Automatic transmission, manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Dart has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon, and a city average of 34 on the highway. Ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Dart, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.